Okay, this is for Greyhound's entry. Congratulations on your 200 member subscriber giveaway. So my 4 favorite pick profiles. The first one, Triple Peak Bogota. It's good for raking, jiggling, works on a lot of locks. Second one would be the City Rake. Also good for raking, jiggling, works on a bunch of locks. Hopefully you can see that. Third one, the Monkey Paw by Sparrows. It's got a little indent in the tip of it. Helps you grab the keys. Gives good feedback. It's got a little logo on it. I know they make these without a logo, but this is what I got. And then a medium hook. I'm trying to get the right angle for you. Basic medium hook. Worked great on my Packlock 98 Pro. This is the one I used to open it. I think you said to pick a lock. Just basic brinks. Super easy. We'll grab the Triple Peak Bogota and see what happens. Again, congratulations, Greyhound. Oh yeah, I gotta shout somebody out. I think I'm gonna shout out Matt's Lock Shop and also Delbert Alexander. They're great people. Lots of advice. Check out their videos. So open. So yeah, there's my entry for you, buddy. Congratulations.